So hello guys, welcome back to my channel. Another video. And so hi guys, you all might be thinking where are we going today. So today we are going back to Chandigarh. We are coming to Chandigarh again. Chandigarh chinami घुम्नु पनि plus last time 28th of February Dhanjet dada ko birthday थियो. So birthday treat पनि खान हामी जाँदैछौँ. So we have Sumitra over here. Hi Sumitra. We have our beautiful Ishe.
Yeah, we are excited.
So are you guys excited?
Yes, we are.
So let's go.
Bye bye.
Yeah. Regina, हाम्रो अनिल दादा. Yeah, hello. And this is Ashish dada. So हाम्रो seniors हो उनीहरू चाहिँ. So we'll wait for Dhanjet dada and Ishe, okay? Say hi to my vlog. Hi. Chin हाम्रो Dhanjet dada and Ishe is there. So dada हामी कहाँ जानु भएको?
थाहा छैन मलाई पनि.
यो चिन दादा सेतो देख्छ भने बाहिर निस्केको भने. वाउ! ए ला दादा हरायो. Let's go guys. Another bus. Chandigarh.
2 hours later.
And yeah, we got the bus. Yeah, bus. Yeah. See, whenever I see this cycle track, I remember of Tapash Dada. So Tapash Dada, if you're watching this vlog, please comment down below. Yes guys, we are here, Chandigarh Bird Park. Wow. Chandigarh is such a beautiful place. Yeah, tiro po me. Yeah, ticket counter.
ऐसी क्वालिटी फोन में रहती है.
Oh, Simo.
Wait, that is to show ticket.
Wow. कस्तो नमिठो बनायो ल
A few moments later.
हाय गाइस, ऊँट की सवारी हो रही है अभी। बहुत डर लग रहा है। ये देखो ऊँट और मेरे साथ है सुमित्रा। हाय गाइस। We are so hungry. We are so hungry. Guys, हामी यहाँ आएको छ किङ चाइनिज बल भन्नेमा। अनि यहाँ चाहिँ एकदम नेपालीहरू मात्रै रहेछ है। कस्तो मजा लाग्यो। नेपाली गाउँमै आएको जस्तो लाग्यो। Yes guys, हाम्रो सुप, मटन, अन्त यो चाहिँ चिकन। Wow. Guys, yes, we'll enjoy. Laughing and it's a Tibetan dish. See, it's why laughing. Anil dada. So we are eating this after so long time. Thank you. या अच्छा सुनिए, खोज जारी है यहाँ पे। शर्ट का खोज 250 में शर्ट का खोज जारी है। So yes guys, we are back to bus station, returning to our hostel. Mulana,
We really enjoyed today, but we don't our girls.
Fine allowed.
so okay guys, I think I'll end my vlog over here. Till then, see you in the next vlog. See you in the next vlog. Yay!
See you in the next vlog.
Yes, Anil Dai.
Next time, show.
Yeah, let's so bye.
Ishe, kena dia Sumitra. Dhanjet.